Didn't rain, but
YouTube.
You're on video. Don't be swearing. Right, we've got her on video again. I'll just show you we're finished now over at Rainville.
So, happy Monday guys. So we've a bit of a slow start this morning. Originally all this was going to get bolted. We've got here this morning and the verge is way too steep for us to be able to bolt them. As you can imagine, if you bolt to a hill, you know, your post can only go one way and it needs to be straight. So we're putting in 2.4 high Twinwire. Like I said, with half panels. That's because if you put full panels in, there's too much of a underneath gap. After dinner I'm going to start going behind them, tarmacking all these holes, tampering them down, making sure they look nice. Just cutting the panels into half using both sides. So let me talk you through what's going to be happening. So basically they're segregating, they own both these, but they're actually segregating this yard to that yard. So where we're going to be coming down the fence, we're going to be coming all the way down to the bottom. Then once we get to where the Jenny is now, we'll then start bolting. And it's basically, as you can see, that's our line. It's going to be following that line, see, all the way down to the palisade.
Bye bye, Jenny.
So I'll get this on video later. This car, they don't have the keys to it, and it's parked here. So I believe they're going to get the forklift out and move this once we get down here. So all fun and games. Get a good video of that in case that goes wrong. We can laugh later. So basically, if you just see this line here, we'll be coming. Say it wants to be a metre off the wall. It's about there. And we'll be following this line all the way down. I don't know why the camera does that, it just goes all blurry all of a sudden. Then all the way to the palisade. And it's all in 2.4 twin. Me and Baggy came, an earlier job we did, we actually removed a gate from here. Added a bit of palisade and moved the gate. You should be able to just see it. So that gap is down there. At the time they wanted access to this, so what we did is we left them a gap, put panelling. So tomorrow we'll get two posts front yard, post in there, and then tie it all up nicely. No gate going there, so it is literally just two posts, couple of pails, maybe a rail or two. And we have got this piece here what we think may just be a bit too small, so we will try that first, see if that fits in. And then all we need to do at this side is, as you can see, tie the palisade on properly at both sides. Won't touch that because it will go. But yeah, just tie that on both sides. That's good as you're going to get it. Meant to be a couple of holes to dig. You know, we're going through tarmac, concrete, so it's turned out like maybe, I think it's about 11, 12 holes in total to dig. Couple of extra posts needed. So yeah, once we get down to the bottom, what we're hoping to do for dinner, we can start flying on them with bolt down. But even the bolt down, to get it properly, if it needs packing and stuff like that, can take a bit of a while as well. But we've got 2 days in job and we're all confident that we should be able to get this done in 2 days. So let's get cracked on and let's get to it, and we'll see you later.
Morning all, just picking up from yesterday. We had a bit of a disaster yesterday. I think most of West Yorkshire stayed in bed with weather. It were absolutely horrendous. We turned in though and had a go. So as you know, picking up from Tuesday, we got to just downhill there. We actually come in, but weather were that bad. I think we got 5 or 6 panels in and called it a draw. All the power tools were getting wet. We were absolutely sodden. So Baggy cried it in. We'd had enough. So I think we vacated about 1 o'clock. On top of that, Justin broke both vans. Yeah, his van broke down outside Greg's outside up at 5 lane ends near his yard, and then about 1 o'clock we had a phone call off him. Other van had packed in, so that died on us. So we had to go rescue him yesterday. We towed him back to the yard. So we're a day behind with his work, but we're having a good morning. So hopefully get this boxed off.
So, good afternoon guys. So it's been an eventful week. We've had a few breakdowns here and there. I managed to break down both vans somehow in the same day, so everybody's really happy with me at the minute. But you know, this stuff does happen. You know, stuff does go wrong sometimes, and we'll just show you the other side. One of the vans is back, the other van's still in the garage. Lad him an hand on a couple of jobs. We also got around to finally spraying our timber shed. Well, as you can see, we got all stock. You're probably used to seeing all these levels a lot higher, but with it coming over Christmas, we tend to not buy as much and wait until after Christmas, because you know, as you usually get a better deal after Christmas. Mark's here with me today. We've just been doing a few things in office and getting prepared. But yeah, it's been a busy week. I think we've done 2 jobs, and we've got a 3rd one on the way at the end of the week. I'll leave you to it, and I hope you all have a good week, and we'll keep you updated with plenty of footage and videos. Have a good one.
Right, we're just picking up from Wednesday. We were here Thursday. We're over at Rainbow School. This woman couldn't believe we worked in rain, but you're on video. Don't be swearing. So what we've done here, I'll just explain about weather in a minute, but we've put some roll top in here. We've worked here before, we're just doing some more works for them. So access gate here, and then we're going down there, we're doing some bolting down there. So it says 1.2 range. We do roll top, which is popular at schools. Yeah, the weather yesterday, I didn't even get the camera or phone out of it. We're absolutely atrocious. Honestly, it was one of the worst days of the year, but we worked in it. We got this done. So it's Friday today. We're going to be finishing off down there. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a good day. It's not raining. I don't think Justin's broke any more things. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a good Friday. I'll be back with you later. Right, we've got her on video again. I'll just show you we're finished now over at Rainville. So we put this in here, this little piece here. There were a piece of wood fencing going there, so we've utilised a bit of roll topper, what we had left, a couple of extra posts. That gate just needs adjusting. Baggy's just gone back for a spanner. All neat and tidy. I'll just show you at the bottom what we've been doing today. We've had to take a load of wood. There were a load of wood cladding back of this metal fence here, so, and that's a 0.9, a 900 3 foot roll top going all the way along. It's bolted down with some big fixings. Looking sweet up there, and just the other side here. So that's another week cleared up. Back onto new things next week. I think we've got a bit of a steady day Monday. It's World Cup's on. So, and then I think we're over in Sheffield. We've got a couple of other bits on. So yeah, we'll see you next week, guys.
Well, hello there. Sorry I've not been on camera much this week. One of those weeks, busy. The rain hasn't helped, to be honest with you, and I couldn't be bothered filming and peeing down rain. Been sort of productive week again. Done a couple of jobs this week. We've done WSG systems in Bramley. I think that were 60-70 metres of V-mesh. I said it with twin mesh at 2.4, and a bit of palisade that he wanted repairing. And then we've done a school in Bramley as well this week, which you'll see by the footage. Quite a productive week. Me and Justin, he's pretending he's busy there, yeah. So me and Justin have just been in office today, just sorting stuff out, updating his website stuff, so we'll start selling bits of fencing on website soon. We've had it a while, but we've just been that busy, we ain't had time. Hopefully now it'll slow down a bit in winter so we can get round to doing it, so more products for everybody. So yeah, if we like what we do, give us a thumbs up and we'll catch you next week. Thank you.